I'm on the shop floor, machines running loud, precision on my mind, standing solid and proud. From 2.5D to 5-axis in my hand, I got a partner on my screen who understands. iMachining saves time, cutting fast, cutting clean. Cycle times dropping like part of the routine. Swiss mill turn flow, that's the path I know. Perfect toolpaths every time, ready to go. Every model I open, every toolpath I run, feels smoother, smarter, like the work's already done. When the pressure hits hard and the deadline slam, I whisper to myself, yes we can. Yes we can, build the future with our hands. From the shop floor to the world, across 98 lands. Precision in my workflow, power in my plan. When it's SolidCAM with me, I know yes we can. Yes we can, innovation running strong. Solid chop, rising, keeping CNC lines on. The world moves faster when the code is who I am. I'm machining with the best and I say, yes we can. Tap up with me, 24/7 on call. Answers sharper than the tools cutting into the wall. Custom trained LLM with the skill I need. Hundreds of hours of learning, power in my speed. Integrated in SolidWorks, no switching screens, no juggling windows, just mashing in dreams. From milling to turning, every setup I plan. One solution, one journey, I'm a SolidCAM fan. Every blueprint I design, every stock I mill down, feels like SolidCAM hands me the crown. In a world full of choices, I know where I stand with a team that says, yes we can. Yes we can, from the models to the chips. Efficiency takes over, innovation never slips. Solid chop is the future, every stat in my command. Running smarter with the power, yeah we say, yes we can. Yes we can, between the two paths in demand. Swiss mill turn on my side, I'm machining like a plan. From sunrise to shift in, I hold this brand, cause when the world needs precision, yes we can.
Machine is bleeding. I know I'm backed by a brand built to win. Iteration rising, possibilities expand. More than software, it's the power in my hand.
Turn it up, speed it up, toolpaths jam. Faster cuts, cleaner cuts, that's a solid plan. Turn it